How to find square root of 2025 by long division method? First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This will be your first pair, this will be your second pair. For second pair you have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 20 or nearest to 20. If you take here, look, 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is nearest to 20. If you take here 5, then 5 square equal to 25, which is greater than 20. So 4 is correct. Same digit will come to the quotient side also. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract, you are getting 4, then bring down this pair. You have placed here the digit 4, so same digit will come here and add. 4 plus 4, 8. Now you have to take here a number, a digit. If you multiply this time this result should be equal to this or nearest to this. If you look, take here 5, then 5 times 85, 5 times 5, 25, carry to the next column. 5 times 8, 40, plus 2, 42. 5 times 85, 425. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Same digit will come under this divisor and add. 5 plus 5, 10, write 0, carry on to the next column. Look, the double of 45 is 90, so our answer 45 is correct. So the square root of 2025 by long division method is 45.